Good, my dear students. Today's topic is footprints without feet. We have already learned about introduction of the chapter that is written by Footprints Without Feet, written by H.G. Wells, who was a famous English writer and novelist, and he wrote a novel Invisible Man. That was this is a part of that novel. And in the Invisible Man, the Griffin was the main character. Griffin, an intelligent scientist, discovered a rare drug and could make the drug that could make an unclothed man invisible. Okay? And this is the story started from two boys that followed the muddy footprints, and they were very surprised and they were very fascinated, and they want to learn what is the mystery behind this. And after that, the Griffin, and he followed the Griffin, and the Griffin, who was a lawless person, his landlord disliked him. He tried to eject him. So in revenge, Griffin set fire to the house and became homeless person. And it was very cold weather, and he want to wear clothes. So he went to a store and he want to enjoy the warmth of that. Then he want to leave London and he went to Iping, and from in Iping he walked to rooms, and landlord's wife wanted to be friend with him, and but she refused him. Till there we have learned in last class, and now we are going to start from the passage a curious episode. A curious episode. Shortly afterwards, a curious episode occurred. Curious means excited, and excited, about which he wanted to. They were eager to know what was the incident behind there. A curious episode occurred very early in the morning. A clergyman. A clergyman means a priest in the church, and his wife were awakened by noises in the study. Creeping downstairs, they heard a chink of money being taken from the clergyman's desk, and they heard a noise of coins, and they wanted to go downstairs and wanted to observe what were the problem there. Without making any noise, with the poker grasped, with the poker means metal rod. Poker means metal rod. Grasper means hold. Family in the hand, and the clergyman flung open the door without any making noise. Without any noise, they picked out and they hold the poker and went downstairs and flung open the door and surrendered. Flung means forcibly. They opened the door very forcibly. Then then to the amazement, he realized that the room appeared to be empty. Empty means vacant. He and his wife, he means clergyman. Clergyman and his wife looked under the desk. The desk, the clergyman's desk from which the money has been stolen. From under the desk and behind the curtains and even up the chimneys, they looked here and there to find the thief, and they looked under the vents, behind the curtains, and even up the chimneys. They went here and there to find the thief, and there was not any sign of anybody. There were not any sign of, because he was an invisible man, so there were not any sign. And yet the desk had been opened and housekeeping money was missing. There was no money. The money was missing. The money has been stolen by the Griffin. Extraordinary affair, the clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. Extraordinary means astonishing. Extraordinary affair means astonishing, means surprising. A surprising affair, the clergyman kept saying for the rest of the day. For the rest of the day. But it was not as extraordinary as behavior of Mrs. Hall's furniture a little later that morning. Next morning, but it was not as extraordinary. Same in the as well in clergyman's house there was not any money. The money was missing. The money has been stolen by the griffin, but the same incident was not with the Mrs. Hall. There was everything okay. The landlord and his wife, the landlord and his wife were up very early and surprised to see the scientist's door wide open. Normally he always shut the door. He never opened the door, and it was the day when the door was opened, and they were very surprised and they were very wondered to see that the scientist's door was wide open. Usually it was shut and locked. Normally it was shut, it was locked. It was the first day when the door was opened. They found the door open, and he was furious if anybody entered his room. The opportunity means chance. The opportunity seemed too good to be missed. The opportunity means the chance too good to be missed. They peeped. Peeped means looked, means stared. They peeped around the door and saw nobody and decided to investigate. Means there was not any person. Because why there was no person? Griffin was inside the room, but he was clothless. He was unclothed, so he was not visible there. So he was invisible man. That is why they couldn't see him, and they decided to investigate. The bedclothes were cold. Bedclothes were cold means there was not any symptom of any person, and showing that the scientist must have been up for some time. They thought that the scientist will come very soon, and the strangers still. The clothes and the bandages that he always wore were lying about the room. Means he was visible when he put bandages over his face, and he wear glasses, and he put false nose and wear clothes and wear hat. After that he was visible, but now he put off his clothes and put off his bandages and put off his false nose, so he was invisible man here, and that is why they could not find him in the room. All of a sudden, Mrs. Hall heard a sniff. Sniff means sniff close to her ear, means she heard a sound near her ear. And a moment later, the hat on the bed spot leapt up and dashed itself into her face. After that, he put the hat and threw it on the face of that lady, Mrs. Hall. Then the bedroom chair became alive. Okay, after that, the chairs have been moving in the room and some springing into the air, and chairs sat at her legs foremost. And after that he put the chair on Mrs. Hall, and he hit Mrs. Hall with the chair. And as she and her husband turned away in the terror means in horrify. An extraordinary chair pushed them both out of the room. Means there was extraordinary chair. Extra means beyond the ordinary. Extraordinary means beyond the ordinary. The chair cannot move, but this was a chair that moved. That was, but that